And so I spent my whole life getting ready for that day so that I was ready to deal with no matter what happened. You wake up, you get dressed, drive out to the launch pad, you crawl into the spaceship one at a time, you're laying on your back in the spaceship, the hatch is closed, the clock's ticking down, you're incredibly focused. It took 4 people to fly a space shuttle, so the crew of 4, and I did it twice, is super focused on everything that can go wrong. The clock's getting closer and closer. We power up everything. The vehicle's alive underneath you. And finally, amazingly enough, after a whole lifetime of preparation, the whole thing is ready. And 15 seconds before launch, hopefully everybody's videos will run, but 15 seconds before launch, this happens.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 8, start, 2, 1, booster ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station, paving the way